Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our Ielts channel. I'm your Irish trainer, and today we are going to discuss about cue card. Our today's topic is describe a present you have given someone. You should say who you give it to, what kind of present it was, how it compared to other presents you have given, and explain why you decided to give this particular present. You have to first prepare your answer in bullet points, and then after that you have to share the answer. So I will share with you sample answer. Let's start with me. The I'm going to share about a present that I give to someone. The person that I gave it to was a good friend of mine. Her name is Gina, and I knew her because we worked together at a language school in Oman. Although we were from different countries, backgrounds, and cultures, we got on really well and we had the same sense of humor. So we became very good friends. The present I gave to her was a handbag. She liked it a lot. It was not so expensive and it was brown in color, but it was very beautiful. It's the first time I have given this person a present, and I guess it's quite different from presents that I have given to other people before. I don't recall ever I have given this gift to anyone. If I'm buying for family, then I will usually buy clothes or maybe some jewelry if it's a special occasion. Normally, when I have bought something for my friends, it's something like that we can laugh for it on it for long hours. The reason why I decided to give this particular gift to her because we had spent a lot of time together in Oman, and we had some really fun times in the malls, in the parks, in the gardens. That's obviously why I thought this was an appropriate present for her. We used to go for shopping once a week and especially couple of times a week. On one occasion, there was a group of about 7 people that we went on a beach and we enjoyed there a lot. We were sitting there together, we were eating there, and then we were playing there as well. Remind us of this great day. So, my friend Gina is the person that I gave a present to, and this was because I felt it would always remind her of the fun times that we had together. That's all for today. If you want more answers, please you can check my other videos. Thank you.